Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Of course, it depends where in the world you are. I'm Diego Gomez, and today we're going to be talking about child vaccination of COVID-19 in the United States because today it's a very important day for the United States if we are talking about COVID-19 vaccinations for kids between the age of 5 and 11. Because, guys, today a medical panel of experts made up of US government advisors will meet today with the FDA in the United States in order to whether authorize or not Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for children between the ages of 5 and 11. If the independent experts convened by the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) vote in favor today, as suspect, the emergency authorization will be in a few weeks for the 28 million children in this age group that will begin to be vaccinated if this is authorized in November of this year. This group must decide based on the available scientific evidence whether the benefits of the two doses of vaccine given between 3 weeks apart outweigh the non risks. Before the meeting, the FDA shared a study from Pfizer showing that this vaccine for child is going to be effective or not. Before the meeting today, the FDA shared a study from Pfizer showing that the vaccine at doses of 10 micrograms instead of 30 inoculated to the older age groups was 90.7% effective in preventing symptomatic COVID-19 effects, and it did not present serious security problems for children. Also, the FDA also published its own information about this particular vaccine by Pfizer that documents with a risk benefit analysis, and also agency scientists indicated that the benefits outweigh the eventual worst side effect for this age group, like myocarditis or inflammation of the heart. In total, 160 children between the ages of 5 and 11 years old died of COVID-19 in the United States, according to official data, 160 children. Also, Pfizer evaluated the safety data among 3,000 volunteers, and the most common side effect during this very particular study was mild to moderate different effects such as injection site pain, fatigue, headache, muscle pain, and also chills. There were no cases of myocarditis or pericarditis inflammation around the heart, but the company clarified, however, that there were not enough volunteers to be able to detect these very rare side effects. Only very rare cases of myocarditis were detected during these experiments in adolescents after vaccine was licensed in June and also was administered to millions of people in that age group in adolescents. Scientists predict that it will be even rarer in younger children, but it won't be known for sure until it's clear. Also, the FDA recognized that, hypothetically speaking, if COVID-19 transmission falls dramatically, the number of myocarditis cases caused by the vaccine will be greater than the number of COVID-19 hospitalizations that are right now existing in the United States. Also, the benefits will continue to outweigh the risk of this vaccine to children between 5 and 11 years old, as COVID-19 cases do not require hospitalization and also can have more serious long-term consequences than vaccine side effects, which are usually temporary. The United States, we should remember, is emerging right now for its latest wave right now of COVID-19 generated by the Delta variant. But the pandemic continues to spread rapidly in different states, mostly in northern states such as Alaska, Montana, Wyoming, and Idaho, with colder climates and low vaccination rates. A very important fact that we should take in account right now. Also, in the United States, 50% of the population is fully vaccinated, also with confidence in vaccines that has increased in recent months, but the United States continued to stay behind other G7 countries in terms of percentage of the population vaccinated. So very important facts that we should take in account today, because today is a very important day for vaccination in the United States, specifically talking about COVID vaccination for children between the ages of 5 and 11 years old. What do you think about this very important meeting that they are holding in the FDA today? Different US advertisers to try to debate on whether or not approve this very important vaccine for the children in the United States. As always, I invite you to leave right here below in the comment section what do you think about this vaccine, and also if you are going to vaccine your different kids, your daughter, your sons, you are going to be in favor or against this vaccine. And as always, also I invite you to follow me in my social media that is down here below. Facebook Diego Gomez TV, Twitter and Instagram at Diego Reportero, and also I invite you to subscribe it right here in my YouTube channel, Diego Gomez TV. This was all for today, and I see you in my next streaming. Goodbye.